Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Y on Citra. First, let's understand what Citra is. It's a powerful, open-source emulator that brings Nintendo 3DS games to your computer, often with improved visuals. To get started, you'll want to ensure your PC meets the basic requirements, typically needing at least 4 GB of RAM and a relatively modern processor for a smooth experience. This setup will allow you to enjoy your favorite Pokémon adventure. Next, you'll need to download the Citra emulator itself. Head to the official Citra website and grab the version compatible with your computer, whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once Citra is installed, the next step is to obtain your Pokémon Y game file. These game files are typically in A3DS format. It's crucial that your game files are decrypted, as Citra requires them to be in this state to run properly. Now, let's fine-tune Citra for the best Pokémon Y experience. Navigate to the graphics settings to increase the internal resolution. You can often set it to 2, 4, or even 10 times the native resolution for stunning visuals. Next, set up your controls. You can use your keyboard, but a gamepad like an Xbox or PlayStation controller offers a more authentic feel. For graphics API, choose Vulkan if you have a modern GPU, or OpenGL for broader compatibility. With Citra configured, it's time to play. Simply add the folder where your Pokémon Y game file is located to Citra's game list. Then, double-click the game title, and Pokémon Y should launch, ready for you to explore the Kalos region. For saving your progress, a crucial tip is to always use the in-game save feature. This helps prevent any potential data loss that can sometimes occur with emulator save states, ensuring your journey is safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.